Score big in business with team energy transformations. Like the soccer star, Leo Messi, who won the 2022 World Cup, says, you can overcome anything, and only if you love something enough. Years ago, I lost over $1 million in my real estate business and I went bankrupt. And then I discovered the first components of the rapid resilience and growth system. It saved my life and it transformed my business and it helped me to achieve my dreams. So, energy connections in the corporate office. You can create something called an energy corner, where employees can take a few minutes to recharge with motivational quotes, or a comfortable seating area, or some greenery around. It's a space that encourages a mental reset and fosters well-being. Dynamic physical communication during presentations, speakers, you should just walk around, walk the floor, and use gestures for emphasis. Look who's doing that. And these connect with your audience. This not only makes a presentation more engaging, but also facilitates better retention of that information. I would be inspired sometimes by a Fortune 500 company that overcame a major slump by adapting this system. They saw remarkable improvements in the collaboration and a surge in creative problem-solving abilities. You can do this. You've got it. Come on. What are you waiting for? Keep moving your energy differently. Carry rough.